So if you're searching for the best voice changer app for your Discord mobile, this tutorial review will show you how to change your voice on Discord mobile. So first of all, we need to install a app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Magic Call, and this Magic Call app is available for both Android and iOS. So install this app and open it. Tap on register and select your country from here and enter your phone number to create an account. And you will get a OTP verification code to the number. All you have to do is just enter the code here. Once you created an account, go to your Discord app and open the server and open a server, join a voice channel. And now all you have to do is just open the Magic Call app and from the dashboard select a voice effect, and this is how you will be able to change your voice on Discord mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.